Think you can't use agentic coding and still have enterprise-grade authentication? Think again. Today, we're going to be building a Next.js 15 application to showcase the power of passwordless authentication. My goal is to show you how easy it is to put together some of the most in-demand technologies like Next.js for our front end and API, Supabase for our database and storing authenticated user sessions, Keycloak for managing and facilitating our OAuth 2 flow, and Cursor AI as our agentic coding platform, all while using VIA's Zero Trust Fabric to provide user authentication, access control, and data integrity. I'll start by opening and logging into Cursor. If it's your first time using Cursor, then you'll want to open up settings and select all of the models that you'd like to use in your agentic coding tasks. In our example, we're going to be using Claude Sonnet 4.5. Now with our tools ready, we're going to go into planning mode in Cursor and we're going to create a detailed prompt. In our prompt, we have details about what we're building, the technologies that we plan on using, and specific details about our OAuth 2 workflow. We'll also paste in a few screenshots of the VIA Science website so we can get a few themed elements that look familiar. After you finish your prompt for the plan and hit enter, the AI agent is going to start to go to work. It may reference MCP servers, it may open up files, it might even execute commands. In a perfect world, our plan will have everything that we need to move into the execution phase. In some instances, the agent is going to follow up with a few clarifying questions. I'm going to provide it some technical details to answer those questions, and I'm also going to ask the agent to use Supabase as our backend. After the plan came back, I realized that I forgot to add in a section for secure logout in our application. I'm going to add in those details now. Once we hit enter, the agent is going to start to create a whole new plan based off of those details. After your plan is finished, we're going to review it and ensure that we have all the elements included. If everything is there, we can now click on build. As you can see, there's a lot of technologies that we're going to be using, and there's also going to be a lot of code that needs to be written. So it's going to take at least a few minutes for our agent to run. All right, after the agent is finished, we can do an npm run dev on our server and see if the application launches. I'm going to open up my web browser and I'm going to test out the flow. I'm going to click on login. I'll type in my email address. And then next I have to scan the QR code from the VIA mobile wallet app. And just like that, we're now logged into our app using VIA ZTF passwordless authentication. We can now start interacting with our Supabase database by creating new items to add to it. We hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you'd like to learn more, be sure to check out VIA's Zero Trust Fabric. You can learn more by visiting solvewithvia.com/VIA-ZTF. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone that you think would like it. See you next time.